Hello and welcome back to my channel. How is this looking? Hello and welcome back to my channel. So, where are we up to? It all got a little bit chaotic whilst I was actually putting up the panelling. What I thought was going to be a really easy job, half easy, half not easy. So they slotted together okay, that was all fine. The cutting wasn't even half as bad as I expected it to be. But the hardest thing was literally just sitting there and pushing them against the wall, against my crooked wall, and making sure they were going to lay flat, because sometimes you'd put one in and it would be slightly like up on the right hand side, which is where the next one would go, like need to be slotting directly, and it needed to all be smooth and flat, and they weren't doing that sometimes, so that was fun. Sometimes it was because the actual wood itself, like, had come out of the packet and was just a little bit crooked. Other times it was just the wall or just the way I slotted it in, I don't know. I used no more nails glue and then some, how do you say that make? Dial? Something else from B&Q that was a very similar thing. That seemed to grab quicker. You didn't seem to have to hold it for as long to make it stay in place. Yeah, it was just very boring, to be fair. So a lot of the footage, I don't know if I took much footage in the end because it was so boring and I had to do it over quite a few days, and it was kind of sometimes just in between, like coming home from work in the evening, just getting some up there. I even said to Jim at one point, we're gonna have to, every time we walk through the hall, just put one up. Every single time. It just took a long time. Honestly, I'd stick one and just be sat there for ages, making sure it would stick. Like up to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, just making sure that would stay in place before moving on to the next one. So that process was not as fun as I thought it would be, but now it is all up. You can even see the little bit in that bit there. So yeah, now it's all up. It's looking good. I got plants up and shelves up and it's looking pretty. I still have some of the skirting boards to do. I've kind of done a little bit around here, but then the rest down the hallway I haven't done, so I'm hopefully going to get that done today. And Jim is actually going to help me stain the wood. So here's some examples of what we did. I don't know how well this will show with the light, but these are some examples of the staining we were trying. So we're using the Frenchic brown and wax. I did consider buying different, but I thought, you know what, I've got this one and I think we can achieve the look. So we tried a double, you know, 2 coats, we tried 1 coat. We've kind of come up with a method, well I say Jim has come up with a method, and that's why I'm getting him roped into this, because he was quite good at achieving it, of staining it slightly with a rag. I say rag, it's like a dust cloth or something that I put in my cupboard. Using a bit of Frenchic brown and wax on that and wiping it on really lightly, and then sanding some bits that it clings to, because some of the wood like isn't completely smooth. Like you need to like sand a little bit so it doesn't cling to it and look like, we don't want it to look dirty, we want it to look just like treated wood, like nice warmer wood than what it is at the moment. Another thing to mention probably is the fact that I don't know how much footage I'd actually got of me painting either. So I did 1 coat and I think I filmed loads of that, and then my camera battery ran out while I was in the middle of doing the 2nd coat and I just couldn't wait. I needed to just get that up. So it's very difficult juggling filming and decorating. I want to document it and share it with you, and I want to do it, but at the same time decorating is so chaotic and it's hard enough without having to also think of camera angles and pick up the camera at the same time. But you know, so I apologise for not showing absolutely everything, but they are up now, and yeah, I can always do another video where I chat a little bit more about the process of doing this whole hallway. If that is what you would like to see, let me know. Other than that, yeah, we're gonna get cracking with this today and see how we get on.
There's a chip there.
Jim, what's that on the floor? Why the fuck is there a chip on the floor?
I can explain.
You can explain?
I was looking for this yesterday.
You were looking for the rogue chip?
So what? When we made the chips yesterday, I was putting the bag away and I completely sealed it.
Flew out.
But then loads started falling out. I guess there was some still at the top, do you know, when you seal it off.
This is amazing.
There's still some at the top. So like some flew out here, and then just as I was putting it in, like one just flew out. So for like 5 minutes I was like,
what's this chip?
And I was just like, I guess it'll turn up.
And
there it is.
It's turned up.
The old chip. The old rogue soggy chip. Hungry?
No. Hi Jim.
Hello.
Welcome to the video.
You just pressed record and left me in the middle of the frame. That's so mean.
Here we go.
Hello, thank you.
There's some products for you.
Yay.
Now, chop chop. No.
No.
I'm only joking. Please do it though. We've got some sanding blocks to do your magic method.
Where are the old ones?
The old sanding blocks. The old
sanding blocks.
Around.
Oh dear. Oh, yep, oh. Thank you.
And so they are, and there is a beautiful cloth that seemed to do the job last time.
I've been working on myself. I really try my best to change, but sometimes even love will fade. Right? Maybe we should stay in bed, pretend that everything's the same, just a little play pretend. Right? But baby, we're changing. We can't really help it. We might just enjoy it now. We said forever, forever means nothing if we don't give it all we got. We can cry when it's over. 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 Really had a good run though, but maybe you were girly love. We will travel different roads from now. We said forever, forever means nothing if we don't give it up. We can cry when it's over. 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 I know it was special, but baby, you can't really stop it. Can't stop the heart from learning what it was. I know it was special, but baby, you can't really stop it. Can't stop the heart from learning what it was. We can cry when it's over. We can cry when it's over.
Yay! We've done it. Voila. A perfectionist may cork across the top. Don't really know. But anyway, that is good, I think. I think that looks beautiful. Jim has done a very, very, very good job of waxing it. Yeah, it looks like a beautiful colour, lovely and warm. It just gives the hallway that warmth that I really, really wanted. Oh, I say I've finished. I actually haven't finished. I've put this top piece on this section and a bit on the corner, but I haven't done all the little bits, so there was still a little bit to do, but I'm going to do them very quickly now. And then I've got some paint touch-ups to do, just like, yeah, anywhere where masking tape has pulled off a little bit of the paint. Also, I have made a start on the skirting boards, but I just like need to keep going with them, and it's a little bit awkward to film around the corner, so I won't bother filming much of that. But yeah, that's what I've got to do. And then we've got to get someone to come and install the lights. And that is literally the whole way done until we get the flooring. Do stay tuned for any more videos, because I know I'm gonna lead this decorating mission into the kitchen, because I know I've decorated my kitchen numerous times, but I actually want to paint it again. Surprise, surprise. And just kind of lead this nice dark theme through to the kitchen. So me and Jim just need to sit down and plan, flow through nicely. I just need to decide on the new kitchen wall colour, and yeah, book the flooring. It's come together beautifully. I can't wait to get the lights done.